So I'm trying to show you the necessary, the basic. Okay, so here we can select our language. I don't know if there is Bengali language or no. I want to just try to find it. Okay, I don't know if there is Bengali or no. You can just I think it's this, right? I don't know. So I think it's one of this language. Okay, I think there is Bengali language here. Okay, so you can just press your language and you just restart your tools, your apps. So for me, I can't test it now because I will lose my connection. Okay, I will just lose the meeting. So I want to move to the next. Here, I want to just create my. I want to create my my team here. Join or create a team. So I press here the third feature. Okay. So the third feature is team. I want to press team and I go to join or create a team. I press here. I want to go to create team. Press here. I find 4 options. So class, it's about virtual class. Here it's a professional learning community for educators. Here for staff, administrator, okay, for your school. Here it's really something fantastic that you can have a virtual club. Yeah, for example, a football virtual club, for example, drawing virtual club, etc. There is it's very interesting thing, okay, that we can have even club virtually, remotely, okay. So I'm interested, of course, for virtual class. I wanted to press here the first option, class. I want to move to name, create your team. Here, name, here, description, okay. I want to just choose any name. For example, it's about 9th grade, for example, okay. You can just nominate anything you want. For example, if I want to explain to you how for channel, okay, description, it's optional, okay. It's better to write it. For example, it's my class, my 8th grade for climate change project, or mention something special for this class, okay. I can add description here. It's not really important, but we can do it. For next, before moving to the next, there is here an option. Create a team using an existing team as a template. If I have really something ready, team exists, I can use it, okay, here. If I haven't, it's my new. I just start with you at the beginning. That means I will not use this option, okay. I just move to the next, okay. So I want to press next to create my team. So search for student. I want to just add my student by one. So for example, I want to add 2 students, for example. Okay. So for the add, okay. Okay, so here there is no appear how to manage here, but I show you how to manage those students. I can manage as an owner or as a member. So I want to show you how. Before moving, I want to just tell you something that Microsoft team, there is many kind of Microsoft team, not Microsoft team, of Office 364, 65. It's different features. That means my Office 365. It's not like Office existed in America or in Lebanon or any other language. There is some different features. It depends on your country, your ministry, how's the feature they are by on Office 364, 65 plutôt. So here I want to move to teacher. I can add teacher too here. Why I can add a teacher, for example, for primary school. We can find a class with different teacher. That means in one project we can find English teacher, computer science teacher, etc., drawing teacher, fine art teacher. So I can add teacher too to my class, not only student. Okay, close. I want to create my class. This is, I'm trying to move here. Okay, this is my class. How to, no, okay, how to move from this. This is my, okay. So this is my 9th grade. Okay, I want to turn back to Teams to show you my 9th grade. Okay, this is my 9th grade. I just created here. Okay, I can move it to manage my team. I can add channel. I can add member from here. Okay, I can add member from here. I can also leave the team, edit the team, get linked to the team, manage, delete, etc. I want to just here add channel. I want to just manage the team to show you how to manage my members. Okay, this is my members, the student. I can I want to come back to show you again. Okay, if you want, I just press manage team from here. Okay, or from here, or from here. Okay, this 3-point, I find all these features. I can do it. Okay, I can edit anything I want, of course. Okay, so I want to manage my team, and I want to get my member and guests. What about my student? If I want one of my student be not a member, owner, that means owner, because my teams is public, not private. So anyone, if I just change here, if my student here, Ines, okay, it become an owner with me, okay, so she can add member, she can manage the group, she can delete, she can upload, download, do everything like me, okay. That's the point. So it's important to do it, that you find student help you to manage this group, okay. Public for me, on education, maybe on business, it will be private, it's better, okay, but on education, to be public, it's better, okay. So I want to move to the channel here. I want to show you how to create a channel. Here it's setting, here analytics. Analytics, it's we find some analytics of our activities on the group, on the team. Yeah, here apps exist, here already exist, and we can add, of course, many other apps. Okay, so here I want to add a channel. I want to show you how to add channel. Before adding a channel, I want to move to show you how to can, if you have. So I want to show you a method that we can add a student in another way, but it depends on your Office 360 65. Okay, it depends on the feature you have on, because it's really different. Okay, from one to one, from country to country. Okay, so I want to move to setting here, team code. So I want to just show you how you can use code to enter to the team, to generate. I want to generate my code. Okay, this is my code. I go to manage team, I go to setting here, and I go to team code, and I generate my code. I want to just copy here without selecting and copy paste, it's just copy. Okay, I want to move here to the team to show you how to do it. Okay, so here join or create a team. So I use it to create already my team, my 8th grade team. So how to join it? By code. So just press here and join a team with a code. I just have this place. Okay, I want to copy paste my code. This is my code, and I joined the team with other method. Okay, but it's not really efficient for all the Office 365. Okay, it depends on your country, it depends on the feature on your teams, of course. Okay, so there is we can just join it, add member like before, like I show you at the beginning, and you can add members using the code. Okay, this code. So I want to move now, turn back to my team, to my 9th grade team I just created. I want to enter here. Okay, get link, add channel, add member. Okay, I want to just enter here. Okay, I want to enter my group, and I show you here the important thing, it's general. Okay, I want to just create a channel. a post file, class notebook, assignment, grade. As you see here, everything is empty, okay? Just start from the beginning to show you how to do it exactly, okay? So here, everything is blank, okay? So I want to just create a channel. For me, I think it's important to create a channel. Why? I want to explain how. For example, here you have in eighth grade class, I have different, for example, 5 projects, because as computer science teacher, we have a project in class as exams. We have project beginning. They began from the beginning of the school years at the end, still at the end of the school years. For example, for me, I just have, for this year, I have a group of climate change, group of healthy generation, a group of talk to our heart, and other group of, I forget the name, improve, I forget the name of project, but there are 4 groups. In one class, I have 4 project. So for me, I want to just climate change, for example, or group. It's a climate change group. Here, description, it's optional, but for channel, I think it's better to write it, okay? It's here. It's better to write the description of the group. It's a climate change group. They have their mission. It's to be aware their peers about the climate change environment, to solve the planet, to solve human being, etc. So here, your privacy. Here we have 2 option: standard, accessible to everyone on the team; private, standard, that means public, okay? Private, only accessible to a specific group of people within the team. Okay, just I want to tell you something, important thing, okay? That a team, okay? A team is a group of people with a purpose, okay? But a channel, it's different. It's different. That means it's a topic of conversation within a team, okay? It's a topic of conversation within a team. It's really important to have or to be to know the difference between team and a channel. There is a big difference between them, okay? So we can have 1 channel in a team, 5 channel, 100 channel, as you want, okay? Here I prefer, of course, to be standard, to be public. On education, it's better. Even, I don't know, if you had something special, if you have exams, if you had something, you can do it private. But for me, on education, I prefer everything is public, okay? That you can, groups of climate change can inspire a group of healthy generation, of talk to our heart, etc. Okay? So I choose public, accessible to everyone on the team, and I add my channel. Adding the channel, okay? This is my channel, you see here. Okay, I can create for any class, so the topic 4 or 5 topic, okay? Because as I said, so channel is a conversation within a team. So I move here to the general to explain to you the main thing here. It's post, okay? Before moving to the post here, plus we can add any apps you want. For example, Wakelet, Flipgrid, okay? If I want to add a Flipgrid, I can move, sorry, I just move to my Flipgrid and I choose for climate change. I share here, copy. I copy this link, the short link, okay? And I turn back to here. Okay, this is my Flipgrid. I add this. Okay, I want to add this code, this link, and my here I want to show you how my student can just use Teams. Why Teams is something like a magic. Why Teams is something very useful for education, for online education, remote learning. Why is it really it's the best thing for me, sincerely, okay? It's the best tools ever, because here we can add everything we want, so student can use Microsoft Teams, because he will find everything there within, okay? He don't have to go outside team to use Word, PowerPoint, any other apps. He just open from here, okay? Send him everything here, and he can work everything on Teams and send you the assignment, the homework, etc. Okay, so here there is Flipgrade task for students. For example, they just press here and they record their videos. So this is very important. It's added here. I can add more and more. I can add YouTube video. I can add Walklet, for example, if I had here. Okay. I have here, for example, some Walklet about how to use Kahoot for student, how it motivated. So for Walklet, we can't use this short link, okay? We can't use it, this short link. You should go to the full link here in your bar address, okay? Not like Flipgrade, you can use the short link. Here, you should use on Walklet the long URL, okay, here on your bar address. And I just copy paste, add, okay, waiting some few seconds, and I wanna just here copy paste my link, save. Okay, so where's my Walklet collection? Already. So this is my Walklet collection. It's about using Kahoot. Due to coronaviruses, we can't see our students, our schools are closed. So I think Microsoft tools, it's really fantastic tools, best tools ever, because I can send everything to my student. I can explain everything, and they have to make effort to read everything. For example, any new tools, I can just make a Walklet collection, send it to my student to have idea about the tools, and after that we can play it online. Okay, so here I want to move it. You see here. So this is the Kahoot. I want to just turn back to post. What is post? Post is the main thing on. You see here that I'm just. They can see here and they can see here. Okay. So there are many, two more. Yeah, I add two more. This is Kahoot, this is Flipgrade. You can just press and watch and read and turn your homework and assignment to your teacher. So here, I want to explain how to, it's a conversation, post, it's a conversation, it's posts. We can add courses, homework, everything, videos, apps, of course. Okay, YouTube link, for example, climate change video. You can just press here, for example, about climate change. Okay. Please, did you hear me? Please, did you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Abdus,
Yes,
okay.
yes, we can hear you, ma'am.
Okay, carry on. Just if you have any problem, just okay, just tell me. Okay. So I want to just turn back here to my post to 9th grade teams. I want to come back to here to explain those features. Okay. Here we can add apps. Here it's Walklet. Here it's I just say it's just, we can say if you have course on YouTube that you uploaded on YouTube, if you have interesting course, even it's not yours, okay, you can just add it, use it, etc. Okay, for example, I want to choose as example, okay, this is a video, okay, I want to post for my student. For example, it's relate for the curricula. For example, I can just add some description in, just look this video, watch this video, and just give me your feedback, etc. I want to just here, I can add, upload from my computer any type of files, pictures, image, video, sound, PDF, etc. Here I can just choose any, for example, App Inventor for, okay, for example, I want to choose this. Not now, okay, I wanna explain how. So here it's about, so here message, I want to write a message to my student. For example, I have here I have here formatting, you know, bold, italic, etc. text. I have here I can add links, insert link here. You can insert link just here, address and a text. It's very easy. Okay, if you want to test it, I want to test it. So here I want to just move to the announcement. I have, for example, announcement to my student, important. Okay, important. I want to just send, as example, a homework for tomorrow. Choose illustration. That means I can choose the picture. It fits to my student age. If they are primary, I choose this amazing and interactive pictures. If they are old, I choose simple pictures, etc. Okay, for example. Okay, so here I wanna send. Here I wanna send from, I can just browser team or channel. If I have on other team or other channel a course, I can add it. If I have on OneDrive, I didn't explain clearly OneDrive, because OneDrive, it's an apps within Office 365. So I want to explain it to now. OneDrive, it's like clouds, it's like Dropbox, it's like Google Drive. If you want other session to explain you how to use clouds properly, how to, if you even haven't Office 365, you can have a huge storage of for free. Okay, for clouds, you can save your information, your data safely. Okay, even you have problem in your PC, you can't lose your information. So it's really important. The clouds, it's really important in our life. It's really important for me. Everything I'm working with, I just upload on Drive. Okay, so here I want to move to upload a course or a homework. As example, for example, App Inventor. As I'm computer science teacher or computational thinking teacher, I'm using Microbit for my code. I'm using App Inventor, Scratch, etc. to teach my student about coding. So I add here a PDF. You can add any type of file. I insist for this, any type. Microsoft Teams, it's really something like, I don't know, accept everything. Okay, you can accept any tools. You can use any apps. It's really something very useful. Okay, very useful for our student and for us as educators. So I'm waiting until he's. So here I wanna just here I wanna just send a message. Here is your homework, for example, for tomorrow. A homework for tomorrow. Okay, message. If I wanna send it for specific person, I just add. Okay, for example, I wanna just choose one of my student, not all student. I just mention my student. Okay, with at. Okay, if I'm not for all student, I just press and send it for all. Okay, I just send it for all students of the team. Okay, so this is the method. If someone answer me, I can use a GIF, I can use emoji, I can use a sticker. For example, here, for example, cartoon. I want to say, for example, great work. I don't know, for me, we have Arabic names as Muhammad. You are my hero, Muhammad, Amin, Fatima, etc. Great work, Fatma, etc. So it will be really encouragement when others see, when other students see the encouragement of their classmate, they will be more motivated to work and to send quickly their assignment, their homework, and to get, of course, a good impression, and to have, of course, a good emoji and a public motivated like this. Okay, for example, I wanna, of course, if good, etc. We have so many things. Okay, if they are child, it's really motivating to use those kinds of GIF, etc. Okay, so especially for young student. So when I move now, if here, from here, I can just, I want to show you two methods how to make meeting. If I have here, okay, I can move to the meeting here, meet now, schedule a meeting, okay, and I can move from here. So for me, I want to close here and to move to show you how to create a meeting to your student, okay. So here, I want to close here. So on post, it's the most important thing, it's post. We can find all the conversation. If something messed me, if I was sick, if I was not really concentrate, I can move on and see all the conversation for all the week, all the month, etc. Okay, it's really important post. You can find everything. We have everything to add and to work with. Okay, I want to move now. Activities, it's clear. Chat, it's clear. Teams, it's clear. Assignment, it's for my colleagues after a few minutes. Okay, and now I show you the calendar. Okay, I move to calendar. So the calendar, I find my calendar, new meeting, meet now. I can just press meet now. I have other option, it's live event. For me, it doesn't work for public. It's work only for my community, okay? That's the difference. I told you from the beginning, there's difference between teams, not teams exactly. It's about the option, the feature, the accessible features on your Office 365. So here I want to just show you how quickly to create a meeting, a new meeting. Okay, I want to just turn back here. I have to next Saturday, for example, or on Wednesday 22 at 6, for example. I want to have, for example, evaluation meeting with my student. Okay, evaluation meeting. After homework, after assignment, after anything you want. I want to add my student, or you are not, it's optional. I can just add just one, okay? I can just add one student and send the link for all the teams. Here there is, of course, there is here, we can find the difference on the features. If you have feature, for example, now many educators don't have access to the conversation. No, I can't move, please. Now I want to show you, after this I finish, I want to show you how some student educator don't have access to the conversation, don't have access to add accept participant to some features. I want to show you how to do it, but now I want to just continue. Here it's 22 July. If I want to edit, I can edit at any time. Okay, I have here July. If I wanted to plan for August, I can plan it. Okay, so here it's okay. I have a meeting on 22 July at, for example, 5 p.m. Okay, to 6 p.m. for 1 hour, for example. Okay, this is for 1 hour. Do not repeat, doesn't repeat on a channel. I want to choose my group. Okay, why I choose my group? I want to just look for the 9th grade, 8th grade. Okay, I didn't find it. I find it. Okay, this is my group, my team I already created. If I created, I should to all member can assist. I should create a meeting on general, not on channel. Be attention. There is a big difference to plan a meeting on general on your team or on your channel. So I have just select channel of 9th grade team and just send. It's okay. It's all everything is okay. So all the students on my 9th grade, because it's general, it's not on channel, they will be assessed. All the students, they will receive a notification on their activity. They will receive a notification on their activity. So here, location, it's not important. Just send. I want to show you how to send. It's just still a few seconds It depends on your network, few minutes, few seconds, just to browse, and it become blue. That means all your link, it's ready to share it, okay? Just I will come back soon to this. I want to show you the difference where, okay, here, there is some educator don't have here, the conversation. You see here, okay, we have here the button to register, okay? Here I can use here to register, to have save my my video. Here to share my screen, this button. Here to mute my microphone. Here to mute, to turn off or turn on my cam. Here my hand, if you want, I want to raise my hand to participate on the session. I can use it now, okay? I just raise my hand. You see here, my hand is, you see here, okay? I can just hang up from this, okay? I can see how many educators are here. There are 39 educators with us today. Okay, if I want to invite someone now, I can just write here his address, okay? I can just write here his address. So if I want to mute all, okay, again, I want to mute all, but okay, mute all, every participant I want to mute here. And if I want, there is another option, but okay, I want to just move to the calendar now to show you. Okay, it's ready. My calendar, it's ready. Okay, I just on 22 with this day, I will have a meeting with my student for 1 hour from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. okay, on the group, on 8th grade group, on general, it's not on channel, okay? So I want to just copy the link, okay? But even I don't share the link because they are member on my team, they will have the link through the activities. They will receive everything on their activities, okay? Okay, I want to just test this meeting, this link, it's work, it's okay, it's not okay. I want to just go to the private navigation, okay? Copy paste my link and to show you it's okay, it's done, it's ready. If I have already on my desktop Microsoft Teams, I just press this link. Okay, if I didn't have Microsoft Teams in my PC or on my tablet or my mobile devices, I just press this button, okay? Ouvrir votre navigation, votre application Teams. That means open your no, not this, sorry. Continuer sur ce navigateur. That means continue on this navigator. That means you can open it on your navigator without having Microsoft Teams apps on your devices, okay? So I want to close. Everything, it's okay. Okay, I want to move now to show you the last thing, I think, before moving to my colleague. If you have any question, just please ask me, okay? I show you not everything, okay? The basic thing, I repeat, it's not easy to learn Microsoft Teams. It's not about 1 day or 2 days. It's about practice. It's about math, okay? To be really expert in Microsoft Teams, and you can use it properly with your student. But even tomorrow, if you want to try it, if you have a free Microsoft Teams, you can try it. You can try it, okay? You don't have all the features. You have a few features, but you can try it at least with your student. So please, if you have any question, okay, raise your hand.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you, dear Douha Jemai. I am Abdus from Bangladesh. Really,
Yeah.
your describe was very simple and easy. I am very happy to know that Microsoft Teams is really an important app for us for teaching the students. And I am pleased about your description, and I want next time I shall use this app in my class. Thank you very much.
Thank you. You are welcome. If you have any question, just please, you can answer me, okay? You can just ask me, sorry, okay? Yes, please.
Hi, good evening. I'm Nirmala from Malaysia. Hi, good evening. Can you hear me? Good evening.
Hi, yeah, I hear you.
Yeah, you are
Hi.
doing great. Actually, I'm using Microsoft Teams for the past 4 months to engage my students throughout this remote learning. So each day I'm learning something very new from this Microsoft Teams. So my biggest challenge is each time I create the code, right? I mean, I used to give my students link, but my students are finding it so difficult to log in. So much so I ended up using only one link for the entire 4 months. So somebody told me that I need to set up the setting to from privacy to public, but I'm not very sure how to go about it. Thank you.
Yeah, I understand. Okay, I think it's not. Abdus, you can hear me and you can see me.
Yes, yeah, I can hear you clearly. Other than that, I have no problem with Microsoft Teams. Only the this particular method that I just spoke to you.
So I'm not really understand your question, but as I said, Mrs. That Microsoft team, if you create a group, a team, if you create a channel, I prefer that will be public, not private. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Because with a private you have different to manage differently from the public. Okay, I show you already. I show you how to do it. So if my colleague Aka have other answer, okay, he can because he's expert too, and he use it on remote learning on Indonesia.
Okay, sure, no problem.
Did you understand, Aqua, her question, please? Would you please repeat your question?
Yeah, my question
simply?
is, there are a few ways to generate code for the students to log in, right? So I normally use create a link. So once I create the link, I pass to my students, right? They were finding it so difficult to log in. Despite of having them in the team, the name list is already added to the team. So much so to to stop all this hassle. So I've been using only one link for the past 4 months. So to stop all the hassle. So when I spoke to a friend of mine, the friend said I need to set the setting to public, but I do not know which icon to press in order to go to public. I've tried a few times, but I couldn't really figure out, and I couldn't really solve the problem.
Did your student have Microsoft 364?
Yes.
65?
365. Yes, we are using 365 because we have a LMS portal. So we have this Microsoft 365 for all the students.
So your problem, I think, your student have difficulty to use links.
Yes. Yes.
A meeting link.
Yes, meeting link, and even today also they find that with the same link they find that it's so difficult to log in, and I have to call my students, invite them to the meeting. So this is so much so going on for the past few months, but we can manage. But then, how to solve this problem?
Okay, I wanna explain the link. Okay, when you send the link of meeting, okay, it's not easy for student to join
Okay.
it. That's right. Okay.
Okay.
It's not easy. Okay, it's not easy. I want to explain how. It's not easy for student, even for educator. For the first time, many educators find the difficulty to join the link of Microsoft Teams meeting. So what's the difference? Because if I have Microsoft Team in my desktop, okay, it's easy to join. If student use tablet, use devices, mobile devices, use devices not, and the majority use mobile phone, okay? So mobile phone, they should, if they use mobile phone, they should go to Google Apps, Google Play, and download their apps, okay? They should. Without downloading their apps, their Teams apps, they can't access to the link. They can use the link, okay? It's not easy. Okay, I have just the first meeting. I start weeks, okay, to learn them how please enter. And we have a group of messenger and I guide them, okay, step by step. It's not easy. Educators should make effort that student have be familiar with this, okay. It's not easy to use Microsoft Teams from the beginning, okay, but after they use it just once, it will be really easy, okay. They know how to log in, how to use this link. If they are from their PC, they can just log in. If they have download the apps from desktop, they can use two ways to connect. If they are from their mobile devices, I say mobile devices, that means tablets, mobile phone, etc. They should download their apps, okay? There is a big difference here, okay? As you see now, as I open this link, sorry, I still shared my screen, okay? So as I open this link, you see here, okay, you see there is not one option to connect. There is many ways to connect, okay? You see here. You see here? No? Okay.
Yeah, I can see.
Yeah, there is 3 types to connection, okay? You download your apps, okay? If you want to use the version web, but version web, it doesn't work on mobile devices. It's work only on computers, okay? Or if you have already your Microsoft Teams already downloaded, you can just press this button, okay? It's not a really easy message for students. You should guide them step by step, and if they got it from once, and they will be familiar, but they should download their apps, the Microsoft Teams apps. They should download it, okay?
Right.
To connect, to use, to be, even they don't have even Office 364, even just educator have his own. For me, my student, any student have his Microsoft Office 365, okay, but I still send my link meeting, and we still connected, we still learn, etc. I can add them via only their Gmail account. I add them as a member. It's not the full feature, I know this, but we can manage this. At least they can assist to post on their teams, have posts on their teams. They can assist the meetings, they can raise their hand, they can participate, they can learn, okay. So I think many developing countries have the same problem, that they haven't, because it's not free. Microsoft Teams is not free, so they haven't this problem. So I tell you that we can solve this. Okay, it's not really important that your student have the Office 365. Okay, it's not. It's optional. It's not necessary, obligatory. Okay.
Right. Thank you so much for your explanation. I truly appreciate. I will explore further with my students. Thanks.
Thank you. You are welcome. Yeah. Any
I
question,
am a
please?
little,
What about others, please?
yes, I have a little question, please. May I
Yes,
use
please.
these apps in Office 19? Office 19, can I use it? Not Office 365. I want to use these apps in Office 19. Is it possible?
Sorry.
We'll
Would you
know
repeat your
that.
question step by slowly, please? Okay. Would you please repeat your
Okay,
question?
thank you. I am using Office 19 software. So can I use Microsoft Teams software here? It
No.
is the latest
Sir, is
Office.
are you using Windows 19 or Office 19?
You can't. No.
Yeah,
Sorry, you can't.
Office 19. Office 19. That means it is later than Office 365. 365 is upper version than 19. Office 19. So can I use Office apps in Office 19 software?
No, you can't. Sorry. No.
Okay,
For
that means
Microsoft Teams,
I can
for Microsoft
see.
Team, there are the Microsoft Team within the Office 365. It's not free, and there is a free version. It's with a few features, with few features, okay? But to use Microsoft Team, you should have the Office 365, okay? So if you don't have any other question, we move to my colleague, okay, to explain to you how to do a beautiful assignment with your student. Many types
I
of
have a question. I have a question.
Yeah.
I am Shiabud Zaman from Bangladesh. I just add the previous question. Another educator, sir. Microsoft 365 not only costly or payable apps, but also internet connection. All time it need to internet connection. So it is very impossible to run in Bangladesh as like third world countries to whole time internet connection and paid Office 365, isn't it?
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you for your question. So, sorry, because I'm not an English native speaker, I have problem to understand your English. But as I understand, you ask me about the internet connection, the relation with internet connection, with a fast internet connection, with Office 365. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Thank you, ma'am.
yes.
Yes. 300 teams. I can't say it in English. In French, volumineux. That means we have apps. We have apps 30 megabyte. We have apps with a gigabyte. We have apps that when we download, it's slow our PC, slow our navigation. Okay, so Microsoft Team, it needs a fast connection, internet connection. Okay, if we don't have a fast internet connection, we can't download it in our desktop and use it properly. Okay, sincerely, it's not because Microsoft Team, it's contain many apps, hundreds of apps and features, so they need, I can't find the word in English, volumineux. That means it's not an apps that you can download it and use it easily. Okay, with a bad network, with a low network, you should have a fast network, and you have I think RAM capacity, storage of capacity on your hard disk. You have quick I can't say it in English. That means la capacité de RAM et la rapidité du disque dur et l'internet, la connexion internet, internet connection. It should be very high quality. Okay, so I think I answer you. It's not really clear in French and English.
I think everybody is clear now, ma'am. So
Yes.
we need fast high-speed net connection.
Unfortunately, Office 365 need connection, great connection of internet. Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Go ahead.
شكرا ولكم جزيل الشكر بنغلاديش.
عفوا. You are welcome.
ما شاء الله.
Thank you so much. So please, if you have any other question, we move to our colleagues. He's waiting. Okay. You wanna just present the second part, because Microsoft Team, it's not about 1 hour, 2 hours. Microsoft Team, it's a full features, and you need hours and hours to learn about it. Okay. So please, I give the presentation to my colleague, my talented colleague from Indonesia, Mrs. Aqua. Okay.
Yes, my
Okay,
name
thank
is
you.
Eka Yudha.
Eka, sorry, I have
No
problem
problem, no
with
problem.
English. Yes, Eka.
Okay, I will continue the presentation from Ms. Jemai Douha from Tunisia. But before I continue,
Okay.
I will give we will give applause to her. Uh, it's amazing the presentation from Ms. Douha. Is so clearly and completely. So I must talk about because she has explained so clearly. But I will continue how about we make assignment in Microsoft Teams. I will share my screen.
Yes, you can share.
Okay. Okay. After you create a class in Microsoft Teams, you can give assignment to your student. You can click on the button above assignment, and then you can create assignment. There are two types of assignment and quiz. I will try on the first from the quiz. Yes, for the quiz, we can make a quiz from Microsoft form. We can make new form, or we can choose a form that is created. For example, I will choose my form here. Yes. For example, this I choose this, and then you and then you click next. You can change the name of your quiz. Task 1, and then enter the instruction. Fill the form correctly. Then you can give the point, and then you can change the date due. For example, I will change to 2021, and then the time you can change to, for example, in 8 p.m. Yes. After that, we can save our assignment. Yes, the assignment will be appear in student in the post. They can view the assignment from their class, and then we can give points if, for example, this my student, he has not turned in, so he must turn in the assignment. And then we can export the point into Excel. We can click this. After we get the points, we can export to Excel. And the second, we can create an assignment. example, we want to collect a photo from our student, we can use assignment. So, for example, for their activity in their home, they take a photo, we can use the assignment. Upload your photo, for example. Or activity, because now is remote learning, so they do activity in their home. We can add the instruction, and then we can give a point here. For example, we can give point 100, and then we can assign to our class, to our students. Then the date due and time due, and we can add rubrics here. For example, we can click new rubric. For example, if they're good in activity, excellent or good or fair or poor, we can give the criteria too, and then we can attach here. Yes, we can give a point for each criteria. For example, excellent, we can give 4, and good 3, fair 2, and poor 1, and then we can click attach. After it's finished, we can assign to our student. Yes. It will appear in post. For example, the student can view assignment here, and they can attach the assignment. In assignment, you can ask a picture such as JPEG or link or file in PDF or Word. You can give assignment in here. And the status will change if the student has viewed their tasks, their assignment. We can give the point here. For example, I will take my other class here. For example, here, create class with Microsoft Teams. Not turned in, it means that they don't send the assignment. And then there is view, it means he only view the tasks. And we can see the assignment in all assignment, assignment in grades. You can see here all assignment. For example, task 4, task 1, task 3, task 2. We can see here all tasks from our student, and then we can export the point into Excel. We only click here, and then we can download the Excel. Okay, and then we can see the student activities with inside app. You can click plus here at a tab, and then you can search inside. For example, I'm sorry, my connection is not good, so it's slowly. Yeah, from the example, we wanna see our class activities. We can see inside. So we can see when Bambang Iswanto enter to class, how many times he do the tasks. We can see inside. For example, digital activity 62%, and other like that. Communication activity, average time for feedback, and other. We can see here. You can see the student activity here. Okay, because the feature has explained by Ms. Jemai so completely, I don't explain again. I only explain about assignment here. Maybe there are any question for me. You can raise your hand. Hello? Maybe you can ask to me about assignment, especially assignment. I will stop my screen. You can ask to me about assignment and other. If I can answer, I will answer the question. Hello? Any question for me?
No, don't worry.
Okay.
Very good. So far, very clear.
The student must have an account about 365. Hello, Miss. Yes.
Repeat the two kind of assignment.
Your voice is so.
Would you please repeat the two kind of assignment?
Okay. I'll repeat
It was
again.
very quickly. Yeah, please. Okay.
Okay. I will repeat about two kinds of assignment. There are two type of assignment here. We can enter to our class, and then I will choose my class. We can the assignment only provide in general post. In general channel, there are no in other channel. It's only in general. And then we click we press the assignment button. After that, we can create our assignment to our student. There are two kinds of assignment. The quiz is for Microsoft Form quiz. For example, I will click this one. There are many quiz that has created by me. I will choose one for the quiz. For example, this one, mathematics. You can, and then click next. I will change the title of my quiz. Math. The quiz created in Microsoft Form, yeah, in Microsoft Form, and we can insert to our class in Teams. So for
I need a session to show them step by step how to use Microsoft Forms, because yeah, it's not really clear for them.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you. Go ahead. Sorry. Okay.
For quiz, we will choose the Microsoft Form in Office 365. We can choose this one, forms. And we can insert this quiz in our Microsoft team. Okay, this one for Microsoft Form. There are two kinds of Microsoft Form, new formulaire or new quiz. For quiz, we can choose this one, quiz. It's in Indonesian, so I will explain you in English. You can.
Would you please activate your mic, please? Okay. Mr. Akka, please. Would you please activate your mic?
I'm sorry. Okay. I will repeat again. To make a quiz in Microsoft Form, you should choose Microsoft Form in Office 365. You choose this one, Microsoft Form. Okay, we will wait. After the dashboard is appeared, you can choose this one in our language, quiz baru or new quiz. You can choose this one for make a quiz in Microsoft Form. And then you can give a title here. For example, mathematics quiz. And then you can choose, you can give a description. Choose the correct answer, for example. And then you can add new question here. You can choose this one for multiple choice. For example, 6 times 2, 6. And the answer here, example, 36, and then 49, and then 64. After that, you should choose the correct answer by click here, the correct answer. And then don't forget to give a point here. For example, 10. And then it is required to fill. You must active the button. This one, for example, quiz. And then you can back to Microsoft Teams to choose this quiz. For example, here we can create a new assignment from the quiz has created quiz, and then we can choose our quiz. This one, mathematics quiz. And then click next. We can give date due or time due, and then give instruction. Answer quiz correctly, for example. Then you can assign the quiz to your student. They can see the assignment from pause, this one, and they can view assignment. And this one, the student view in the dashboard. They only click the form to answer the quiz. And there are immersive reader for read the instruction. And the second one is assignment. You can create assignment. Assignment is if you wanna give tasks for your student to get, for example, photo or video, or maybe link, file other, such as PDF, PowerPoint, but you can use assignment. Maybe you can you have a project with your student that they should make a report. You can use this assignment to collect the report from student. Okay, I will give the example for you. For example, we can create a student report, for example. Then you can enter the instruction here. Submit your report in PDF, like that. And then we can give point here, the maximum point, for example, 100. After that, we can save or assign directly. I will assign it. Okay, finish for our assignment. They can see in their pause, this one. You can view assignment here. And then the teacher can give a point here if the student has submitted their assignment. Okay, I think it's enough for assignment. Any question for me from educators? Please raise your hand. Hello, Miss Jemai. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I hear you. Yeah. Very good presentation.
Okay, any question for me? Hello, any question? If there are no question, we can close our meeting tonight. Hello, Mr. Abdus Salam, where are you? Mr. Abdus Salam, the host of meeting tonight. Mr. Abdus Salam, where are you? Okay. Because the feature of Microsoft Teams has explained by Ms. Jemai Douha so clearly, I only completely the presentation. Mr. Abdus Salam, where are you? If there are no questions, we can end our meeting tonight and we can continue the other time.
Everything is clear.
Hello?
I can
Yes.
understand properly.
Hello, Miss. Who is speaking?
Thank you so much. Everything is clear.
Yes,
Thank
Miss
you.
Laure. Okay. We learn together about Microsoft Teams tonight with Miss Jemai Douha and me, especially to make a class and then to make a meeting in Microsoft Teams and then make assignment. Mr. Abdus Salam, where are you?
He's not here, Abdus. Okay. Hello. Thank you for your insightful presentation.
Salam
It was
sir,
very-
hi.
Okay, I'm sorry if
There is please any question for me or my colleague, okay, about Microsoft Teams.
No, thank you.
Ma'am, I have a question. Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes, please come on.
My name
For me
is-
or
Yes,
for
please.
me? Yeah.
Yes, my name is Mohammed Ashraf Alam from Bangladesh. My question is, when I sign up in Microsoft Teams, there are three options. One option is school, one option is business, one option is others. What is the difference between three options? My question is clear.
Can
My
you
question
repeat
is
again?
clear.
Can you repeat,
My
Mr.
question is, when I sign up in Microsoft Teams, there are three options. One option is school, one option is job, other option is business. What is the difference? Three options in Microsoft Teams.
You mean in Microsoft Office 365, not in Microsoft Teams. That's right?
Yes, I think so.
Yeah.
Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams.
Microsoft Teams is the apps within Office, okay? So the difference between, I understand you, there is personal, familial, business, etc. There is different kinds of Office 365. Yes, I understand. I told you from the beginning there is a big difference between many kinds of Office 365, okay? There is difference. You can find features, you can find it, other feature you can find it, okay? That's problem, okay? It's depend on your Office 365, okay?
Thanks, madam. Other question is what is the difference between video call and video conference?
Video call
and video conference.
Video call and video conference.
Video conference, it's for a group, for a community or for public, okay? For groups of people, but private call, it's private, okay? It's for specific person.
Specific person.
Yes.
There is no option for group call.
Sorry?
There is no person of group call.
A personal of group call. Okay. For me, I can do it. Okay. I can share you my screen. I show you how to do it. Just I can call a friend and I want to add you like I show you. Okay. For example, here. Okay. I want to share my screen. Sorry. Here. Okay. So here the call. Okay. I can just select one of my friends from my community. I just call it. Okay, for example, I want to call here. Okay. When I just I lose my call. Okay. I want to share again to show you quickly. So here, if I call someone, okay, in private, I can just add him here, add 2, 3 group of person, okay? From here, I can add it. For example, here, I want to just change my language. I just press here, my friend Aisha is calling, okay? I want her to join our small meetings with 2, 3 friends, 4 friends, okay, colleagues to collaborate, to work together, okay? You understand me? I can just press call Ines to, okay, I can call Ines, okay, to join me for the meeting, for our small meeting. You understand me? That's right.
Okay,
Do you understand
thanks,
me?
madam.
Yeah, you can, even in private, you can have a call with a group of friends from your community, not outside from your community. Okay, there is a big difference. Okay.
Okay, thanks.
You are welcome.
Thanks, madam. Another question is, how can account 365 easily?
How can you get? How can you get?
365.
365. Yeah. For me, my minister, sincerely, my minister get me one last year. We called Compte Tarbia.tn. Our minister give for all educator have the right to have Office 365. Okay, and I have other account. It's thanks to the initiative of our colleague, our talented colleague, Mrs. Vida Drizgi. It's the founder of From My Home I Teach My Kid initiatives. They gives us to account, okay, account due to coronaviruses and closing school, using this account to teach our students remotely, okay. So I think your minister is responsible to give you this account, your Minister of Education.
Can I complete your question, your answer, Ms. Jemai?
Yes, please, come on.
Okay, I will complete the answer from Ms. Jemai. If you want to get the Office 365 account, you can deploy by your on website school. For example, in my country, we can use domain sch.id for deployment. Maybe in your country, there are domain for education, and you can deploy by yourself. You can ask to Microsoft to get the A1 license. Yes, for education we can get A1 license, and you can get the account of Microsoft Office 365 free. It's free for education.
Money to 365. How much money? How much dollar? 365 we can bought.
For education is free, Mister. Is you need to pay to for to get the Microsoft Office 365. It is free for education.
Thanks. Thanks, sir.
In
My
Bangladesh,
another question is,
But the requirements, you should have a domain for your school. For example, in my country, we use sch.id is my domain in our country.
Would you please,
Okay,
would you
thank you, sir.
please, would you please send all the link to Abdus? He can share it on the
Okay, I will
Bengali
share with you.
Microsoft groups of
I will share
Bangladesh teacher.
my screen
Share
before.
all the link, please,
Okay.
on the group. Okay.
I will practice how to get the Microsoft Office 365 free. You can access on your browser office.com. You can access it. Office.com. Okay. It is free for education. We don't need to pay. Office.com. We will wait. It's I will sign out from my account before to show you about how to get the account. I'm sorry because my connection is not good. Okay, after you access Microsoft.com, you can choose this one, Microsoft for Education, in English language, and this one in Indonesian language, Microsoft dalam pendidikan. If in English, Microsoft for Education, you can click here. Maybe I can change the language into English.
In Bangladesh, the net condition is not good.
Yes,
Sprint.
this one, Microsoft Education. You can explore here to get the Microsoft Office 365. This one in Indonesian language. So I will change in English. You can click here to get Microsoft account or Microsoft 365 account in office.com, and then you can click Microsoft for Education, and you can get the account here. Yes, I think we can continue in other session for how to get the Microsoft account, Microsoft Office 365 account, 365, because it's tonight.
Hello. Yes.
Hello. I think
Yeah.
we can
Yes,
continue
yes.
to other session.
Yeah,
because
yeah.
it's not
Inshallah.
enough.
Yes,
Inshallah.
your network
It's
is
not enough. We
okay.
will
Thank
make
you so much.
other
Yes, thank
session, I think, for Microsoft Form, how to
yes.
use it step by step. It's really important because when you find, when my colleagues just explained how to use assignment with the quiz. There's 3 types from existing exam. From quiz and from other type of exam, Word, PDF, pictures, etc. So it's not easy to have assignment with Word because you have to correct, for example, if you have 100 students, we have to correct, say, hours and hours and days to correct those exams. So the best way with remote learning, it's to do exams with quiz, with forms, okay? It's easy to correct, it's automatic, and you have everything on your Excel sheet. So that's the best way to do it. So I think you need more other training to how to do it step by step, the Microsoft Forms, and how to get your Microsoft Office 365 account.
Okay.
Thank you so much for your attention. I wish that our presentation touch your heart and your mind both. Okay. See you soon, inshallah. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Miss Jemai,
Inshallah.
for presentation.
Thank you so much.
Where is Mr. Abdus Salam?
Yeah,
Thank
Salam
you.
is here.
He
Muallim.
is
So he should just he should finish the recording. If he don't finish, we will lose the recording of the session. He should start.
He should stop recording.
He started recording.
Thank you, both speakers. Excellent.
Who's waiting for Abdus?
Excellent
Okay.
topic. Thank you so much. Of you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye.
Abdul Salam sir actually has
Thank
a
you.
problem.
See you again. Thank you.
Thank you. See
Thank
you
you,
soon.
madam.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Yeah,
Bye. See you again.
Thank you, all educator all over the world. Many countries
sir. Thank you, sir.
participate.
Yes.
Things. We are very happy.
Problem.
We are welcome from Bangladesh.
Okay.
Vietnam.
Thank you, sir.
We can meet again.
Yes.
In the next session, we can meet
countries.
again with the other topics.
Okay. Next time we are
Next time we are meet everyone.
every editor. Best of luck.
Okay. Inshallah.
Inshallah. Hafidin.
Yes. Where is Mr. Abdus Salam? He should stop the recording.
Someone controls his
Now he is absent.
microphone.
Disconnect.
He can't talk
Now he
here.
is disconnect.
She has some problems.
Because if he
Hello.
doesn't stop recording, he will lose the recording.
From Vietnam.
Hello, Mr. Abdus Salam. You should stop your recording.
He has some trouble
Recording here cut off.
sound with his microphone. I think so someone's control his microphone, so he can't speak right now. He tries on the chat embassy in the.
It is not available here.
Miss Tranti.
Here. He is still here. Let's say he can't talk. Yeah, I don't know why. But I think that's someone control his mobile.
Because we are in different organizations, so we can stop our recording.
I call Mr. Abdus Salam to disconnecting the recording.
Mr. Abdul Salam now is disconnect. So
Mr.
Mr.
Abdus Salam, the host to the.
Okay.
Yes, Mr. Abdul Salam is host.
And that we can send SMS in Facebook Messenger to this connecting this.
Please call you, Mr. Abdul Salam.
I think someone is in this organization. You can call him because I'm not. I'm outside.
সরকারি স্কুলে ট্রান্সফারের বিধান আছে চাকরিজীবীদের জন্য, কিন্তু এখন দেখতে হবে যে আমাদের এখান থেকে ছাড়তে কোনো অসুবিধা নাই। এখন যে স্কুলে যাবে সে স্কুলে সিট খালি আছে কিনা, তারা নিবে কিনা।
I don't understand your language.
সরকারি স্কুল তাহলে
Hello, Miss
তো একটা বিধান আছে সরকারি স্কুলে ট্রান্সফার হওয়া যায়।
Are you from Thailand?
একটা বিধান আছে, যেহেতু ওটা এখন ওই যে ওনাদের সাথে কথা বলতে হবে যে স্কুলে যাবে তারা নিতে পারবে কিনা, এটা দেখতে হবে। কারণ সরকারি স্কুলে আবার কিছু বিধিবিধান আছে। এখন ওখানে যদি সিট খালি থাকে তারা যদি নিতে পারে তাহলে সেটা অন্য বিষয়, আর যদি তারা যদি না নেয় তাহলে কিছু করার নাই।
Mr. Abdus Salam, where are you?
না না না, কোনো অসুবিধা নাই। হ্যাঁ, আমি তো ভাবছি যে আমাদের স্কুলে বলে আমরা টিসি দিয়ে দিলাম অন্য স্কুলে চলে গেল, ওটা না।
হ্যাঁ, কেউ কথা বললে মিট আনমিউট করে কথা বলেন।
আনমিউট করে কথা বলা উচিত।
He has had
এখন
technical.
ওখানে গিয়ে ওই স্কুলে কথা বলতে হবে, ওনারা যদি নেয় তাহলে তো কোনো ই নাই। এখন ওনাদের উপরে
can hang up our meeting.
যে ওনাদের আসন খালি আছে সেটা বলার বিষয়।
আনমিউট করে কথা বলেন।
কারণ আসন তো নির্ধারিত, যেমন আমাদের স্কুলে আসলে তো কেউ নিতে পারবো না, কারণ আমরা তো ফুলফিল ভর্তি করে ফেলছি। এখন যদি সে টিসি নিয়েও আসে তাও আমরা নিতে পারবো না, এরকম আমাদের। এখন ওইরকম যদি অবস্থা হয়ে থাকে তাহলে তারা নিবে না। আর আরেকটা বিষয় হলো সে তো সরকারি ছিলেন না। এখন এই ওই স্কুলে যোগাযোগ করে দেখতে হবে ওনারা কি বলে।
এই মিউট করেন।
না, অসুবিধা নাই। ঠিক আছে,
মোহাম্মদ জাহিদুর আলম স্যার, আপনি মিউট করেন। জাহিদুর আলম স্যার মিউট করেন।
আশরাফ স্যার, যারা আছেন বাংলাদেশি ফরেনার, রিপোর্ট নিড টু ফিনিশ দ্য মিটিং।
এতটাকে ক্লোজ করতে হবে না, আপনাকে ক্লোজ করতে হবে। আপনি একে বলেন সালাম সাহেবকে বলেন ক্লোজ করতে।
সালাম স্যারকে ফোন দিয়েছি মেসেঞ্জারে, উনি বলতেছে ওনাকে কে মিউট করে রাখছেন, উনি কথা বলতে পারতেছেন না।
I'm sorry to all of participants. If you want leave from the meeting, you can click this one, hang up, and you can leave the meeting now.
Sir, please listen to me.
Meeting finished.
I am from Bangladesh. I am from Bangladesh.
Yes.
Mr. Mohammad Ashraful Alam.
Mr.
I am communicate with you, and I request you in friend list and email to your account.
Okay. You can add my Facebook, Yudha.
Mr. Ashraf sir, our education officer. He is assistant
Thanks.
Education officer. Salam sir.
Okay.
Thanks.
District
education officer. If you want end the meeting, you can hang up. Click this one. Click the button. This one.
How stop this meeting? How stop this meeting?
I can stop because I'm not a host. But you can leave the meeting by click the button.
Mr. Salam Sahib is host. Mr. Salam Sahib is host.
Yeah, Mr. Abdus Salam. Can you end the meeting? Please click
here.
Yes, Mr. Abdus Salam. Hello. Please unmute your microphone.
Someone control his microphone.
Mr. Abdus Salam. Maybe you can end the meeting by click this one. There is 3 points here. You can end your meeting. Yeah. But I will leave the meeting by WhatsApp.
Nazmul Sahib.
I
Nazmul
click
Sahib.
this one. Hang up.
Nazmul Sahib. Nazmul Sahib. Salam Sahib. Yeah. Mr. Salam Sahib's problem, how we stop this meeting. Everyone stop this meeting. There is no option. So everyone stop this meeting. Now we leave this meeting, leave button. There is no option. Mr. Salam Sahib host is disconnect this meeting. So everyone won't leave this meeting. There is no option. Listen to me.
উপরে একটা দেখা যাচ্ছে ডিসমিস ওটাই
ইয়া করেন ম্যাডাম, নিচে ওই যে লাল বাটন আছে না, লাল বাটনে ক্লিক করে আমরা প্রত্যেকে লিভ নেই, এছাড়া তো উপায় নাই।
আমার এখানে উপরে একটা অপশন আসে যে ডিসমিস, এটা নাকি?
না এটা না, নিচে দেখেন ডান পাশে লিভ, ওই যে হ্যাং আপ।
হ্যাঁ
হ্যাং আপ, হ্যাং আপে ক্লিক করেন তো। হ্যাঁ ডিসকানেক্ট। Host is disconnect. Weather condition is bad in Bangladesh, so everyone won't disconnect from this meeting. We see below in the right side red button, hang up.
I think
everyone hang up this meeting because host is disconnect. Host is disconnect. Weather condition is bad in Sylhet in Bangladesh. So everyone won't disconnect from this meeting. Below, we saw below right side button, hang up. Everyone click hang up. Everyone click hang up.
Okay, thank you very much.
Everyone below click hang up.
He takes in the messenger. That's he has some trouble with the microphone, so he can't hear us. And then I think someone is a guest of this meeting. You can help him by click on his microphone here, because I'm out the meeting, so I can't help him. Kamunaha, you are the guest. Please try to have. Yes. You can get.
Yes. Madam, any problem? Any problem? Madam, any problem?
He had just left.
Any
yes. Yes.
You show below, and right side button, hang up, hang up.
Yes, I'm here. And I think he had just left, so we can leave.
Right side, hang up.
Without the help of him, so the meetings will stop. Okay, everyone leaves the meeting.
Leave.
So
everyone leaves the meeting. Everyone leaves the meeting. On. Because current host is disconnect. Host is disconnect. I mean, I have no control. So everyone leave this meeting. Below left side hangout.
Yeah.
Because weather condition in Bangladesh is bad.
Yeah, I think
net
so.
connection is problem. So everyone won't disconnect from this meeting.
Okay. Yes.
Hello.
Yeah, I see.
Icon.
Okay. Bye bye.
Yes.
See you.
Bye bye.
See you.
Okay. Bye bye.
Abdus. Aduh.